Alright, let's go.
I said then look down first. Yeah. First party. I think this one is probably easier to like make it 2 for 2. Yeah, but I didn't bring a hat.
Ah, this is a boat.
No, we're getting on that one.
It's an emergency one.
Hiya.
Ooh.
There's our jackets. Sea legs.
Very cool.
Right guys, well welcome aboard. All the equipment's all popped out ready for you guys to use. Spot we're going to fish is about sort of 5 minutes away, so we'll nip to that. And if you just give me 5 minutes to get the anchor down, I'll come on and show you what's what and have you bait up between the boats. Under there in a moment. Prawns and fish we're expecting to catch today, load of rays, eels, might be fussed about, dogfish, little toad, should be all sorts. Okay. Conditions wise. Squeeze on by and get that one there. Yeah.
Ah, we're leaving now.
So you have to throw back all of it, okay?
He wanted to get some for Grandma to eat. And he cried last night because we were listing everyone that's on the boat and he was like, oh my Grandma's going to feel so left out.
Oh, I love it. Grandma would not want to be on this boat right now.
Very low.
Hold on to your hats.
Oh, it's so fast! Come on, oh, it's so windy. Go stop.
Right, so all the fish on the bottom here.
We'll have a stop. We'll have a swim
Bit
back.
here, sand, a bit of stone amongst it, so it's quite a mixed spot, so we should expect a bit of variety in the fish that we get. There's plenty of rays and eels and us and whatever else. Two sizes of lead. There's some great big ones and some not quite so. Give it a little push. Alright, until that point comes out. So that's how you can do the prawn. If you wanted to as well, you can put a little sliver of squid or the squid head on it just for a little bit of extra, why not? But it's not essential. Okay, so you can do that. The squid. Do the first tank of the day. Squid, the way to do that is if you come in, and there's various sizes, there's great big ones like that and some slightly smaller ones, it doesn't really matter which one you've got. If you come in at the pointy end first, put your hook right through, turn the hook back around, and then just start weaving it on, so do that 4 times, okay, and that'll keep it on, just like that. Alright, when you've done that, whether you've got squid or prawn, or a bit of both, you find you a little bit of water, and I say if we have 4 down that side, 4 down this side, and then 4 across the back, that'll space us out neatly. With the multiplier reels, if you put your thumb on the spool to begin with, lever on the side, if you just pull that towards you, that'll put it in free spool. Don't take your thumb all the way off because it'll just overspin and tangle. Just release a little bit of pressure just to slowly guide it down. The depth here at the moment is 15 metres. A little bit deeper than that.
You were told not to do that, weren't you? What did you say?
You just pop it back up in the tube a minute. Okay.
I missed that. So what did it do?
So, what?
You caught jellyfish.
You got jellyfish.
Wow.
No, this is like an
that?
urchin actually. So
Oh,
it lives on the stones
that's cute.
underneath.
Just jumped onto it.
Yeah, so it's literally
It's got
tried
a
to
stone
eat your
here, look at that.
eat your squid.
Yeah,
So
look.
it lives on the stones like that, and your bait's gone near it and it's sucked it in.
Wow.
Do I have to change bait now? Or is
Yeah,
that-
I would. It's been down there a bit. It's,
I reckon this one's
there's definitely a fish on that one.
Oh,
I'll put your urchin up here a minute.
You have caught something on that.
what is?
Right, so if you take the tube out of the tube, take the rod out of the tube.
Put the yogurt down. Hello.
Yeah, take it out.
Chuck a bit of that overboard.
Stick your left hand there. Stop winding. You only go one way. That's it. Go on, wind. Lift the rod up. Take the hook.
Go on.
Go on.
And
Use your muscles, Kevin. Come on.
It's not really what you said.
that's it. And then sometimes when the fish are
Really heavy.
Very strong. Go on.
That's a 2-round
sometimes you might not wind against it. So lift up without winding, and then wind on the way down, and then lift up without winding, and then wind on the way down.
This is big.
Shark.
Oh, you got a swimmer. It was out yesterday.
Lucky I didn't go for puck run.
Come on. Go on, Kev. He's big.
Oh,
Oh, here he comes.
Just seen it.
what is this? What
On the
is
reel.
this?
An eel.
Oh, come on, mate.
Go on, Hannah.
Don't let him off.
Right, just gently lift it up. I'll lift it up.
Look at that, Leo.
You can't reel.
Oh, it's eel.
Picture that.
It's a fish and chips tonight.
Easiest thing to do. Right, so
No, it's not electric, baby.
No. Right, if you want a picture
I'll
of
get
that,
a picture.
best thing to do is just hold up by the line like that if you want a picture of that one.
Yeah.
Alright, just mind the hook sticking out his gob. Come out your way.
The ear's like smiling.
That is huge.
That is massive. Here, do you want to chuck this back in?
Wow.
Okay.
That is brilliant.
Wow. So there's first fish of the day.
Look at the size of it.
Do you want to touch that eel, Leo?
Is it? You're drinking? That's a baby.
That's a baby.
What you want to do is put your left hand there.
Going to see.
Let's see what Sarah got.
Pop the rod in sort of into your hip just so you've got somewhere to anchor it.
What is this?
Keep one.
Oh, let's see.
What is it?
It feels heavy, mate.
I'm gonna put it in.
I bet it's an eel.
Is it stupid eel again? Oh yeah, he's fighting. He's fighting against you, isn't he?
Oh, oh, what is this?
That's it.
Yeah, where do you swing up?
Oh,
There you go. So that's a thornback ray.
Wow.
wow.
There we go. Just put the rod down and show and hold it. Can you have a picture of that one?
Yes, Dad, you want to have a
Oh, look at the
picture.
face.
That is
Killed it! You killed
So we
it!
get four types of rays out here, and this is a thornback.
Wow.
That's cool.
Is he alright to hold that, Dad?
Yeah, this is who wants to hold it?
Dad,
Right.
hold it. You got to hold
So
it.
next to their mouth, they got a little soft bit. Put your thumb there and just pinch the other side. A few spikes on his cheeks, so just keep your finger and thumb around those spikes. All right. So that's where your thumb's going to go, and then just there.
Don't hold him tight.
Oh, Dad, you've redeemed yourself
I
last time now.
Is it
Just done a little bit. That's it. And then you fall back right. I can let you weigh in and get your pictures.
So Dad came a year ago.
Beautiful,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Catch anything. And we haven't let him live it down since.
Maybe come here to take photo on this side, faces this side.
Good thinking.
No, it's not. It's a razor. Got me to see fish.
Oh, Dad, look at me as well. Lovely.
Right, how do you put
Can
that
I
in?
see
Drop
it?
over the side and it'll.
No, I want to see it.
You want to try it?
Oh, it's bleeding, it's bleeding.
Yeah, it'll be alright.
No,
Wait, mate. See, look, it's still rolled over. It's gone away.
He took the bait.
It's a surprise.
You've got a nice heart.
Ooh! Is it shark?
Yeah.
No, they-
Wow!
tiny bit of line just to.
That's a big one.
That was bloody.
Can you just let a tiny bit of line out just to. Bull huss, this is.
That.
Yeah.
There you go.
Keep going. Pull that lever.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, that'll do. Right, there we got a bit of line to.
Look,
Oh, it's huge. It's huge. Steve, you're gonna hold this one.
Yeah, I'll show you how to hold this one.
Yeah, you've got to hold it, Steve.
He will try and bite you, but I will show you how to hold
yeah, I'm alright. You hold it.
You caught it.
That's fine. If you want to hold it.
Oh my god, that's so huge.
Look at it fighting.
Right, so this is a bull huss. So with the bull huss, that's all right, I'll pop it down. Right, the way you want to hold it, your top hand's the one that's going to take
I
control
think
of
I'm
it.
alright, actually.
I tell you what, come and kneel next to me, Steve. I'll hold
Oh,
it.
Steve, you can do it.
Nah.
Yeah, so this is a
alright.
bull huss.
Guys, you do it then.
Shall I hold it?
Go on.
No, Mum,
Right.
don't hold
Hold
it.
that top hand tight and then
Right, do you
just
wanna
put your
touch
hand
it
under
in
its
for-
chin.
I'm not holding that.
Alright.
Oh, he's a bit feisty.
He's fine.
Do you want to come hold it, Leah? Hold its tail, Leah.
Yeah, it's alright, just touch it.
Alright.
Now that camera there, one thing they can do is make themselves sick. So just be warned, you might suddenly get a pound or two of water.
Touch it.
Whatever
Touch it, that.
comes
Right, let
your
me
way.
touch it.
It's like sand.
It's weird.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's really, really rough. So like all sharks,
one way
their
is
scales.
smoother.
Yeah, one way is
Yeah.
spiky,
Lay
isn't
backwards, so
it?
that's
Yeah.
smooth, and then the
The
other
other
way is
way
very,
is
very.
Oh my god!
I'm sorry, I panicked.
There's blood on the floor.
It's fine. It's okay. You're gonna get a bit messy fish, yeah?
Are you scared? Are you scared?
I think
You scream loudly.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you for.
It was so it was so
Yeah.
cool.
Well, let's go.
You've got
that was way too scary.
Oh,
Yeah, there's blood everywhere. Come on, let's go. Cut me another prawn.
lovely. Thank you.
Cut me another prawn, yeah? Go.
Take it out of the tube, you'll get a bit more control over what you're doing.
Okay.
No?
That's the thing with these heavy weights. I think if they bump on the bottom, they're so heavy it bends the rod.
Oh no.
My bait's got caught up, that's why.
You got anything in there? No. Oh, you got squid. Oh, that's a.
I put a prawn and a squid in it before, but...
Do you need a hand? Do you want to dig it in?
Turn that, just turn that. Turn that.
What you'll find here, so this one, you can't wind straight against it, so you'll need to.
Oh, there you go.
That'll do that. If
Yeah.
you come back along the side of the boat here, we'll steer it on the side, and I will. You keep coming to your left a minute. And I'll
We're going to do it up
up a little bit. You got blonde rays. That's another
Wow. Alright.
Bomb's caught a really big way. Wow. They look like little
strong fish. Blonde rays are real strong fish.
Wow. Well done, Grandad.
So just why not
I
let's
can
swing
see
in there.
another
Yeah, come
one.
back to the...
It has another them out.
Yeah, the blondes are incredibly hard fighting fish, and they will go really, really big as well.
Well done, Grandad.
There's your blonde ray. I'll show you how to hold this one as well.
I'll touch that one.
You touch it, yeah?
You can touch this one. Oh, there's no spikes on that one. It's quite slimy, these blonde rays.
Ooh, it is slimy.
Yeah. So just next to his mouth.
Right,
Few
someone
bits
get a
up there
picture of
and just
Grandad
hold the
with
other
his
side.
fish.
It's just there.
Right.
Okay, there you go.
Got it.
He's smiling.
Don't rip his nose off.
I know, they've got really cute faces. Yeah, they do. Let Andrew touch it.
What's it like?
Slimy, the red blondes are.
Yeah.
Really slimy.
I'm alright. I don't need
Oh,
a
Grandad,
touch.
can you face Dad? He wants a photo.
All right.
Might have gone your... No, just a bit.
I'll try not to look tired.
No, I think it's okay.
Oh. Right. Grandad, have a sit down and your coffee now.
Oh, it's an eel.
This is a dogfish. So that's the little relation of the big bull husk I caught earlier.
I don't want to.
There's a baby.
That one, I want to hold the baby.
Actually, as far as dogfish go, that's not too bad a dogfish.
Dogfish. Oh, it's nice.
Can we hold
Oh,
it?
go
Everyone's
for it.
Go on, Sam.
Yeah, just finger it from each end.
sleeping.
Is
Is
this the
bite and I can take
if you put your finger in his mouth, yeah, probably.
Oh, that's really cool, Farrah. Well done.
That's all right.
Always quite strong.
The eyes are
You want to
closed.
stroke it in the air?
Sleeping fish.
He's smiling.
Probably knocked out.
I'd say right
past the
What are you doing?
Yeah. Next time, if you just drop it a little slower, then what that should do is the
Confirm.
tide will just pull the
Oh.
bait out.
change the next one. Should be set.
Yes, call it back.
What?
Kevin's got something. No, he's got big fish. That's going to be big.
Right, stand back.
Blue whale.
Mommy, blue rhino.
Oh my god.
Just stand up for this.
Big fish, we're just making a view of it.
Might be a blue whale. Huge. So just steady with this one. This is going really hard. In case it's jaws. Right, so that wind is lift up. Slowly, slowly. And then wind all the way down. And then just slowly up, slowly, slowly, slowly.
Kevin's getting the best workout today.
That's gonna be.
That's it, and then you just come slowly up. You won't look
I'll be back on the ray.
hard and
There's another eel.
Yeah, I think it's another eel.
together that line. That's it, do it nicely. Always better to avoid a tangle than I do. You go, run back. You go up in the corner there. We'll pop that
You
one.
take the sharp one.
Daddy caught the big puff.
Well, we've got the now tied
It's
these.
this way, isn't it?
Yeah, the breeze is actually blowing the boat round
Steve,
to,
Theo was asking for a drink
What is
earlier
it?
on.
What is it? What is it?
Come on. Okay, you can.
Oh, he's still moving it in.
It's gonna break.
I was going to say he was winning you all the fish, but I think it's becoming obvious. Puffing and puffing a bit.
I think you're out of condition.
Definitely sending this to your mum.
Kevin,
Not far off, so.
I know what kind of fish that has to be. Maybe a blue whale or something.
What's that? A little 2-inch mackerel.
Yeah.
What is this? It's a mermaid.
Yeah, so just steady on the way up, because if you pull fast and hard, it'll snap on.
Here she comes.
Wait it. That's a big.
Come out backwards, George, makes it harder. That's it, keep going. Just steer it around the side.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe you hooked him through the tail, Kevin.
Sometimes the blonde's quite down, their tail touches the line, and then
Does it? Now.
you do it. Bring it along to me.
Dying.
A little bit more. Yeah, so there's another blonde.
Careful, stand back.
What's in its mouth?
The bait.
Let the bait stay in its mouth.
Yeah, so this is a blonde red. Now, this one. Some type? No, well, yeah, it will. But its mouth will come out quite a long way. So you want to have your thumb there, and you're going to grab it like that for a picture, alright? So just there. And then just below my thumb here.
Well, it's quite slippery.
Good. Yeah.
Oh. Jesus. That is ridiculous.
Into a seat.
Okay.
Okay, bye, buddy.
Oh.
Oh, let's do that.
That's alright, be alright. They're not brilliant at backstroke, but once they get themselves over, they're fine.
He's going to do a dive.
Ready out of the way, Mum's got something, fingers out your mouth. But Mum's got something, yeah?
Oh.
Yeah, come here, that's it.
Someone come in on it.
Oh, look! Look what she's got!
Oh!
Back again. Oh,
Shut.
getting out of
You'll be able to hold that one, Leah.
That was
That's
hard
baby.
work.
it. No, I'm not holding
And look at
that.
the size of it. Imagine if I caught a big one. No, I've only caught one. I just landed.
Good girl.
That one.
No.
You'll be fine, honestly, Leah. You'll
I'm
be
not
fine.
holding that one. I'm
You'll be fine. That's a baby.
You might hold this one.
It's a baby.
I hold like a real
Yeah, so we
fish.
hold it finger
That
and
is
thumb
a
each
real
end like that, and I'll
No, a fish.
I'll do the job. Yep.
If we're swapping weights, is it
Right, you can touch it.
No, I want a real
No,
fish.
look, you're
This
fine.
is a fish,
Relax.
baby.
Go touch it.
Come on.
Touch it. It's not going to hurt you. See, do you want
Feel really rough, don't they?
If you stroke it one way, it's
It
really
does
rough.
feel like sand.
Yeah, stroke it the other way, that. Oh, that's really rough.
And then it's smooth the other way.
Do you want to hold that one?
No.
Oh, he's much less
Do you wanna throw
aggressive
it
than
back?
the big one.
Yeah, they
No,
are.
I'm not holding that one. I like the big
Wow,
one.
it's a baby.
Yeah, it's cute, isn't it?
Yeah.
I really like it.
Lovely.
That helps me hook the fish. And they're big.
It's like a little line.
If you roll it, push it back the other way,
It's actually really
stroke
nice.
this thing, it feels it's solid, you can't move.
I feel a bit
If you go one way,
Yeah, I'll put it back now. Is that alright if I come?
right?
There, try it. You're like, draw attention to it. Why don't you?
Oh, it's coming over my side.
Oh my god! Oh, it's the same one that Oh, I've got it. I got my rod caught.
yeah, that's the small one there.
I went underneath.
There we go.
Ollie,
Here's your dogfish one. Alright? Got it?
Got it.
Got me as well.
Oh, sorry.
It's a baby. Ice too slow.
That is incredible. No, it's because of the squid, you see. Can you get the hair out of my face for my photo? Oh, sorry. There you go. You're
You can tell the nerves by how hard she was holding on.
Yeah, I think his eyes are going to pop out of his head right now. Leo, do you want to hold it with me? Come on.
No.
Oh, he's going to hold the back of it and Ollie's going to hold the front of it.
Yeah, watch.
Hold the tail.
No.
Hold it. You've got 5 seconds before it's going to go in.
Leo, you can take one to.
5,
You can take a picture of it to school then.
3, 2.
Look, hold the tail.
Just the end.
Just touch it, touch it.
Leo, just stand by the side of it, then you can have your photo taken.
Hold the tail.
See, it's cool. Pinch it like, see what my hand is like that. Yeah.
No.
Alright, go put him in.
Yeah, put him in.
Okay.
Put him now.
That is in the shade. Sitting down there, good.
Like, I'll put yours on the bench.
My god, that's
Oh.
Closer in case it's needed. Oh, I could just get in there a minute and just pop that net down there out of the way a second.
What is it, Ollie? Headshot.
Hopefully it's fish. I mean, we're in a bombing
Hopefully
range.
it's a
but,
fish.
yeah, let's hope it's fish.
I think you might just catch away.
Oh.
That's good luck, isn't it?
Oh, big one.
Actually, lower it down a bit.
Big one.
There you go. Good. That'll do. That's fine, just to give her.
You got the big one.
You take it out the tube, yeah, so lower it down.
No,
And there he is. Blonde ray.
Yeah, tough, really.
Blonde rays are really, really hard. But sometimes with the really big ones, they quite like sand, and some places we have just sand. And
Oh, yeah.
if we get a really, really big one, sometimes people say, oh, I'm just stuck on the bottom. But no, no. Yeah, they fight so hard. There you go. So just there, and then just there, and then we'll come and wash the carnage down in a minute.
Put it away.
Smile at me, yeah.
Ollie, before you put it back
Ah.
It's bleeding when you don't want it to bleed.
Do you want to come touch it, Leo?
in. Making a mess there, mate. Got a lot of issues.
Oh, don't matter.
Yeah, right, I'll get a bucket of water, swirl that down.
Ready? In you go.
Got it so big.
Too much. Yeah. It looks
This
They've
one,
got your flounder in there.
just steer it out to the side a little bit.
You'll see it come up, baby. Oh, oh, is it coming? Is it coming?
Yeah.
I thought I'd just seen a ray. Is it a ray? It's huge. It's huge, Sarah. Yeah. Feels huge.
Got a sound under its line.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't let him get
It's
away.
really big, look. Look. Or is it an eel? Is it an eel?
I don't know.
Keep doing it, Sarah, come on.
So, see, winding it direct against is going to be quite hard.
It's
If you
going
lift
further
it
and
up
further
without
away.
winding, and then wind now. Drop roll down, wind, and stop.
Oh, here it is.
Oh.
It's a ray.
So don't wind straight against it because you won't.
You've knocked it
So
out on the
lift up
boat.
and then wind down now like that. And then it's last bit.
Oh, it's feisty.
I'm not
Right, if I get in there a second, I'll come and grab it. No, it's still here.
Oh,
So big.
check Leo, here he comes.
They're quite tough. Really close ones.
Biggest one so far, that is.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That is the biggest fish so far. That eel's longer, but this is
You've got the
much
biggest one.
heavier.
What about the other one?
Oh my god!
Yeah, that's like this. Alright. It's quite easy to hold.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Although this one I don't think is quite as slimy as the
Trying to
others.
flip himself over.
Yeah, okay.
Now don't step in that bit.
There you go.
It's gone. Oh,
Now if you want, just rest the rod on the floor if you want, and then or put the bottom of the rod down, just leave it in there against that blue holder. And then we can pick your pond ray up. Nice fish that one. Alright, it's quite heavy. So that's where you're going to put your thumb. Alright, and then just pinch the other side. There's no spikes, there's nothing there. That
Why
can
does
get you.
it feel so weird to touch?
oh, it.
And then just
Blech.
alright, it's heavier than it looks, alright, I've still got quite a bit of weight. There you go.
Look at very weak.
Give it a chunk of it.
Wow. Look at it.
I think ours is that. It's just got a lot easier. I don't think there's anything
It's
on it.
raining!
I don't think there's anything on it.
Let's stop this next.
Enough! Another shark!
A little dog fish.
What's the...
Another shark! Leave it at me.
Wow.
That's a really big eel.
That's huge.
Oh my goodness.
He's a massive one!
That is massive, isn't it, Leo?
So they come up here and have their pups. They have like 20 to 30 at a time, and these little ones will stay till they get maybe like forearm length, and then they go off to deep water to grow huge. But yeah,
The angle that he's getting on the fish.
It's in his belly.
Be careful, he might eat it.
Yeah.
and then
Please don't film that.
Lauren's not feeling really well.
Big Daddy G!
Look at Laura.
It's fresh.
Pop it back in the tray. That's it.
Drink up, Daddy B. Drink up, Daddy B. There's something alive in there. Mum, she's bleeding.
Well, if you don't put your hand on the thing.
Or is it just stuff from the squid? I think you put squid on it.
Oh!
110%.
two of you might be sharing this fish.
Oh, baby
No, it
fish.
is all yours, don't worry. A bigger version of it.
Scared.
Yeah, nice fish.
Yeah.
Shit.
That is right in my face 3 seconds.
Oh! What is this?
It's okay. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Has Andrew?
Yeah, he's got some. I got some pictures. You get pictures? Yeah.
Where's all my shoes? Somebody wipe this off of my shoe.
And it is a little bit of congaree,
What was that? Was that a skeleton?
Man, look.
Wow.
No, it
So
hasn't
remaining.
been gone.
You're fine.
Go. Are you taller than the eel?
Yeah, I reckon he is taller than you.
Nearly.
Hook it, watch it go
Don't
under
be
the door.
scared. Go.
Very careful, because